Welcome to Nice and Clean Academy. In this tutorial, we'll go over basic differentiation rules. Before diving into the rules, let's quickly review how we write derivatives. We can write it as y prime, f prime of x, or dy over dx. All of these mean the same thing. They're just different notations for the derivative. First rule, the constant rule. If the function is just a number, its derivative is 0. For example, f of x equals 7. The derivative is 0. That's it. No matter what the constant is, the slope is always 0. Next up, the linear rule. The derivative of mx plus b is just m, because the slope of a straight line is constant. Here's our first example. F of x equals 4x plus 2. The derivative is 4. The slope is 4. Second example. F of x equals negative 3x plus 5. The derivative is negative 3. The slope is negative 3. Now the power rule. This is the one you'll use all the time. If f of x equals x to the n, the derivative is n times x to the n minus 1. Let's go through some quick examples. If f of x equals x cubed, the derivative is 3x squared. Notice, the 3 in front came from the exponent, and the exponent itself dropped by 1. X to the 5th becomes 5x to the 4th. X to the 10th becomes 10x to the 9s. We'll use this pattern constantly. Bring the power down, subtract 1. Finally, the sum and difference rule. If you add or subtract functions, you just take their derivatives separately. D by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x equals f prime of x plus or minus g prime of x. Here's an example. X squared plus 3x. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of 3x is 3. Put them together, 2x plus 3. Second example. X to the 5th minus x squared. Power rule for both terms gives us 5x to the 4th minus 2x. Last one, x to the 9th minus 100. Power rule on x to the 9th gives 9x to the 8th, and since the derivative of a constant is 0, we just add 0 at the end. And that's it, the 5 fundamental rules of differentiation. Notation, constant rule, linear rule, power rule, and sum and difference. We'll build on these to tackle more advanced problems, like product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. So make sure these basics feel solid. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the power rule in general.